Hey guys, I gotta figure out where, I think that's the microphone there. I got a new camera. It's a Nikon D3200. There's my friend picture wall. I got it for doing a brake job. It's kind of old. Gonna try it out. I want to get a microphone for it. I definitely need a holdy thing because I'm just holding the side. As you can see, hair and face is different. I'll put a picture in the corner, I don't know. I gotta figure out how I do this. You can see how big it was. I'm trying to get a TSA job. It's a federal government job. They want max half-inch beard and fairly normal looking hair. I missed how long it was. This is all gone too. Also feels good. And updates. It's the day after Halloween. I made this video yesterday, but I had the camera on the wrong setting. You can see out there, it snowed. Northwest of here, northwest, out in Muskegon. There was 8 inches of snow, almost 9. And Halloween got canceled. So that's wild. But updates for you. I'm still in the camper. I'm taking some asthma meds so I can breathe. I'm not gonna die. That was a big fear a couple months ago. But it's still not right. I don't have the lung capacity I should. And my hand is still messed up from my accident just over a year ago at Amazon. So I've been struggling with work. About a month and a half ago, it started at Flowerland, which is pretty awesome. But it's a lot mentally that I just wasn't ready for. So again, I applied at the TSA. Better pay and federal benefits. Like, that's gonna be awesome. But I don't mind the milk. It's out because my coffee's going just about done. We have the fish tank. I don't think there's anything alive in there except for plants. I had a snail, but I screwed that up and he died. The water heaters are in there to get tested. But surprisingly, this Java fern is alive. And this Anubis, which is very tiny, like only this size when I bought it 13 years ago. There's just so much of it now. And then I just bought this one, hornwort, I think, if I remember right. This is where all the babies be able to hide the shrimp. And when I finally get the guppies, that gets a whole bunch of shrimp in here. I bought 2 really small blue shrimp, but they're kind of expensive. Oh, and I have this. Oh, I'm on manual focus. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Nope, let's go back to manual. I got a lot to learn with this camera. There we go. I think that's Amazon sword, but it might be a Val. We'll find out when it finally starts growing, or it may just die off. But yeah. This is spider plant. Here's my pothos. The wandering Jew, I forget what the name is. They don't use that one so much anymore, but this is a grandma plant. That's from Dad's thing. That's now in the basement. This here is a dream plant. It's gonna be huge, but that's okay. Spider plant I've always wanted. My favorites, the polka dot plants. I don't mind how crappy they look. They are adjusting to their new life, dropping off these old leaves. As you can see, this is all new. It's got all this new growth over here. We got the white polka dot over here. Let's see, what if I put on auto now? That'll be better? Maybe. This broke off Dad's plants as well. I don't know if that's gonna do anything, but it's still alive. This one here though is awesome. It's got roots, it's got new leaves growing. This is a grandma plant also. This is a mini variety of Monstera, and this is all new growth in the camper. I'd separated it out and put it in a new pot and broke a bunch of the roots, so I'm really excited that it's growing. This is a Thai Constellation Monstera. It'll have the same holes, but the leaves will be way bigger. And it was made in Thailand, and with the white spots, that's why they call it a constellation. I think it just looks really cool, but it's doing well so far. I gotta repot it into that bigger pot that it's sitting in. You can see she's looking for water, so we'll do that one of these days. Updates. This thing I hate, but it was only like 20 bucks and it works. Helps me get cooking done because my propane lines are all leaky. But I did bring this inside. Am I worried that it's by the heater and everything? No. There's also plenty of holes down here for propane to leak out into the real world. But I got hot water, and I can keep the water going down to about 27 degrees, so we're good there for quite a while. This is new. I've got to fix it up better, but the coffee maker, oh, that's warm. Awesome. We got a new smart plug. Links to Google, so I can yell at it to turn it on. I have it linked to my work alarm, so when I turn off my work alarm, it starts my coffee, and then after 10 minutes, it auto turns that off. I've been using this quite a bit more, which is awesome. The bread maker I haven't been using. It moves around a lot. That's what these are here for. I gotta do that. TV still works. The DVR back there still works. My computer, though, turns out the issue was a bad DVI to DisplayPort adapter. So with that off, I can edit videos. It's speedy, it's smooth. So I'm gonna get back into that. I'm not gonna promise weekly videos right now. With my lungs and winter coming, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. And with a new job coming up, possibly, but we'll see. I will keep updates on the plants. I'll be posting on Instagram more. I'm gonna try and figure out the best way to pull pictures and videos off here. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. And with the first video doing a quick edit, the stock microphone does an okay job this far away. Yeah, Mikey's doing well. His one eyeball is kind of gross looking, but he's here. He's happy. But yeah, I'm gonna make my coffee, chill out, watch some YouTube, and then probably edit this video. I have a thing for the TSA job at 4 tonight. But yeah, things are going. Truck is running. I'm just gonna say peace out.